Now we're going to learn about one last theorem to show that two triangles are similar. And this one is the side-side-side SSS Similarity Theorem. And this says that if the corresponding side lengths of two triangles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. So here we see that with AB over RS is equal to BC over ST, which is equal to CA over TR, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle RST. You don't have to have a certain triangle on top and the other on bottom. You could switch them. Either way, you should end up with the same thing. So let's get into some examples. So this one, I want to see if either triangle DEF or a GHJ is similar to triangle ABC. So I'm going to start with triangle DEF. And how I like to determine this is I'm going to put my largest sides first, because I need to match the corresponding sides. So I'm going to have the largest, and then smallest, and then the remaining. Okay, so looking, I'm going to start with my triangle ABC. The largest side is my 16, which is the side length AC. And I'm going to put that over the largest side in triangle DEF. Well, the largest side here is 12, so that's going to be DF. And I'm looking to see if this is equal to the smallest and the remaining. So smallest side on triangle ABC is side 8, which is AB. The smallest side on triangle DEF is 6, which is DE. And that leaves the remaining side here is BC and DF, not DF, EF. So now let's plug those numbers in. So AC is 16, DF is 12, AB is 8, DE is 6, BC is 12, and EF is 9. So I'm almost there. I now just have to reduce all these fractions to see if they end up being the same thing. Well, when I reduce 16 over 12, I get 4 over 3. 8 over 6, that reduces to 4 over 3. And 12 over 9 also reduces to 4 over 3. So by our similarity theorem, that means that these two triangles are congruent because these all end up equaling each other. So I have that triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Here again, it matters the order that you do it. These two AB needs to correspond with the first two letters in the next triangle, and so that's going to be DE. You can see that up here as well. Okay, now let's try that same process, but now we're going to do it with my triangle GHJ. So my largest is AC over JG. My smallest is AB over HG. And the remaining is BC over JH. Okay, AC, that is 16. JG is also 16. AB is 8. HG is also 8. BC is 12. JH is 10. And so I see when I reduce these, 16 over 16 is just 1. 8 over 8 is 1, so I'm good so far. However, I come to this one and I get 6 over 5, which is not the same. That means that those two triangles are not similar. Okay, let's try a solving question. So here, I want to find the value of x that makes triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So to do that, I'm going to set up my proportion. And so I want to start with just the first two letters because these two sides are corresponding. So I have AB over DE. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set it equal to the second two letters. Then those sides are corresponding. So BC over EF. Well, AB is just 4. DE is 12. BC is x minus 1 over EF, which is 18. And then now from here, I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to do 12 times x plus 1, or x minus 1, is equal to 4 times 18, which is 72. Divide both sides by 12. And I have x minus 1 is equal to 6. And add 1 to both sides, and I get that x is equal to 7. You could also set it up in a different way. You could have also done AB over DE is equal to AC over DF. I won't work it all the way out, but if you worked it completely out, you'd still get the same answer of x equals 7. Okay, now that we've learned this, I want you to go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to try and figure out number 3 on your own. When you think you got it, press play. So the answer you should have gotten for this is that triangle LMN is similar to triangle YZX, but then RST is not similar.